Hello and welcome. This is a video on the new features of Proxmox VE 5.4. It's William here, the computerized voice, and I will guide you through this video. The new version of Proxmox VE 5.4 is based on Debian 9.8 and a Linux kernel 4.15. We have optimized the Proxmox VE installation wizard and it's now offering the ability to go back to previous screens during the installation. It allows you to adapt the choices you have already made, without the need to restart the complete installation process. Before the actual installation, a summary page will be displayed containing all relevant information. Proxmox VE 5.4 supports the Universal Second Factor Protocol, which you can use in the web-based user interface as an additional method of the two-step verification for users. In this demo, let's log in as a demo user with a simple password. On the User tab, you can see the login settings and you can open the TFA configuration. Scan the displayed QR code with the free OTP Authenticator app and enter the code displayed. Ready to go. Log out and try to log in again. After typing the password, the TFA will ask for the code from the Authenticator app. The new Ceph package installation wizard allows installing Ceph easily without touching the command line. Let's start the installation on the first node. The Proxmox Ceph repository is added in the background, and all needed packages get installed. Then enter the network for Ceph, and the basic configuration is ready. In the next step, install the packages on the second and the third node as well. Now you can create Ceph monitors and managers on the second and the third node. We can now create one OS Deeper node. Please note that one OS Deeper node is only enough for a demo but never ever for your production setup. Finally, you can create a Ceph pool for your VM and your container images. As an option, you can add CephFS storage as well. To do so, you have to create Ceph MDs on each node, and afterwards you can create the CephFS with the storage definition. Finally, you can see the Ceph3 and the Cephfs storage on the nodes and the Ceph dashboard. It is now possible to set a data center-wide HAR policy, which can change the way guests are treated upon a node shutdown or a node reboot. There are new choices: freeze, failover, or conditional. For all details, read the documentation. As often requested by the Proxmox community, some options like, for example, machine type can now be selected directly in the VM creation wizard. Also, firmware like, for example, CBOS or UEFI or SCSI controller can be selected. Dependent options will get set to sensible values directly. With Proxmox VE 5.4, users can hibernate QEMU guests and have them resumed properly on the next restart. The hibernation saves the RAM contents and the internal state to permanent storage. This allows you to preserve the running state of your QEMU guests across most upgrades to and reboots of the Proxmox VE node. Additionally, it can speed up the startup of guests running complex workloads, or workloads which need lots of resources at initial setup, but free them later on. The latest version 5.4 is available in all of the Proxmox VE repositories. Download the ISO and check out all the new features. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox VE. Thanks for watching.